What's up, y'all? You know who it is, your boy TP, coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2002 Lexus gs300, and we're going to be taking this radio out and the backup camera and all that good stuff. Real easy. First thing you want to do is grab your panel removal tool. If you need one of these, the links are in the description. And we just want to come into this corner and we want to pop that top part out right over here. That's going to be your passenger airbag light, the hazards and all that stuff. No need to disconnect because we just need to get to those top 10 mil bolts. Next thing we want to do, we'll just leave that right there for a second. We'll put the key in and put this to the lowest position. Take that same panel removal tool and we want to go down here to the bottom, and we want to take out this ashtray pocket. It's only held in by clips, so you don't have to worry. You don't really have to worry about that. And we got one harness that's in the back for a cigarette lighter of some sort. And now we can just set that right there on the floor and see if I can focus. Need to have my light on. Boom. So now we got two 10 mils at the bottom and two 10 mils at the top. Go ahead and take those out. All right, y'all, so with that taken out, everything else just kind of slides out. So I'm gonna go behind here now and start removing some of these harnesses from like the AC, and it's all one big piece. So let me take these harnesses out. All right, y'all, so we got that thing out. That is how you take the radio out. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and wire up my wire harness, get my dash kit hooked all up nice, and see you in just a second. All right, y'all, I got that going on. So this is the dash kit. The wiring harness is back there. I still have to clean that stuff up. Quick pro tip: if you guys use the TYTO harness and it does not work, go ahead and bypass the amp. The amp is behind the glove box right over here. It is that silver thing right there, and you can use the 1761 harness, and you'll unplug the ones in the back at the bottom. Unplug those two. And I just got some 9-wire and I ran that over here, and now all my stuff is working good. You cannot get power from back there. You can only get the speaker wires, but 12 volts ignition and ground can be caught at this harness. And the dash kit is pretty easy. You just take this black piece and you slide it into the front. 2 screws mount the radio, and then this fits for the AC. 2 screws mount right there. Same thing on the other side. And I know what you're thinking. I didn't actually go over the wiring or how to wire it up. Well, that's because in order to make these videos nice, short, sweet, simple, straight to the point, I made one video on how to wire up a radio, and it is in my how-to playlist. I will put a card over there. All the links to all the products that I'm using will be in the description. Of course, the tools that I use every day and all that type of stuff. So let me put this thing in and let's see what it looks like. Alright, guys, and that's just about it. That's what it looks like when it's all said and done and put back together. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, I'll see y'all at the next car, baby. This is JP signing out.